Hello and welcome. Today I am making shower steamers and I'm making over 100 of them. So I have different scents that I'm going to be making and I'll show you the process. Hey, it's Diane from Vermont Lavender. Let's get to it. The first one I'm going to be making is the Sinus one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt my menthol crystals and I'm going to melt them in rubbing alcohol in a warm bath of water, and I'll show you how I do that. And the Sinus one has the menthol crystals in it, plus it has peppermint essential oils in it, and it's a very invigorating shower steamer. And I add a little bit of blue mica to it to give it a nice, color. And I'll be using my lotus mold, and I'll show you how I do that. And if you want the full recipe, I do have a video that has a lot more detail. So if you want to check that out, I'll link it in the description below. So the next one I'm going to be making is the lavender chamomile. So that uses my lavender that I grow here in my garden. I grow several different varieties. If you're interested in growing any lavender, I have a playlist on that. So I sprinkle a little bit into the mold and I put my shower steamer mixture into it and press it down and make. So I'll show you how I do that. And if you're interested in making that, I do have a video on that too, so you can check that out. These are the shower steamers that I made yesterday, and they look really good. I don't see any bumps or anything like that. And it was like 41% for the humidity. And let me just check the humidity and let you know what it is. So they turned out really well. I'm going to be making another batch of the Sinus one, and then I'm going to make the morning one, which has that orange scent, and also the eucalyptus spearmint. So let's go over here. And this is my setup right here, and it is at, it's a little high, so it's at 45. And I have this one here. This is just for the extras, and at the end of this video I want to do a demo. Alright, so welcome back. This is another day of making the shower steamers, and I'll show you the continuing process of how I make them, and hopefully this is helping you out. And if you found this video to be helpful, please leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about making shower steamers. I'm more than happy to answer them. Thank you for joining me, and we will get back to making the shower steamers. strong. I can smell that. Wow. All right. So I'll mix this up a little bit. It's a beautiful green color, isn't it? Isn't that pretty? It's not super bright. Every time I make the eucalyptus spearmint, it's a different shade of green. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a comment or question, please leave it in the comment section below. So the next video to watch is, and I'll leave it right up here or here, wherever they, one of those places. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.